Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina. In this video we're gonna give this desk behind me a makeover. I've already worked on this desk about a year ago, but today we're gonna give it a new look. And because this piece was already painted, I have to make sure that I sand the last finish and to prime it down. For the primer, I'm using Oil Based Primer by Stencil. Then I'm gonna start painting using Country Chic paint, which is chalk paint. And starting from the legs using the color Liquorice black, then I'll gradually go adding more colors. Opulance is the purple color. I'm gonna try to mix the purple color with the black to get a little bit darker shade for the purple. I'm using the same brush for these colors. This is only my first coat. I'm gonna give this piece 2 coats using the same colors. I'm just adding the raspberry sorbet for the top part for now. I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours, then I'm gonna give this piece a second coat. Now it's time for the second coat, starting from the bottom, adding the licorice color, which is a black with the purple, trying to blend so I can have a smooth finish. And for the top, if you remember the first coat, it was pink at the top, but now I'm gonna add the pink to the middle drawer, then I'm gonna add the Sunset Glow by Country Chic Paints kind of coral color to the top. So I decided to add a little bit red to the middle part. For the drawers, I'm gonna add the tissue paper called Love Letters. It was perfect, the perfect size for it. All I have to do is add my decoupage gel by Prima and add my tissue paper. Just to make sure that all my drawers can slide out and in smoothly, I'm gonna add wax to the edges or to the rails. New transfer by Redesign with Prima, I call Harlequin. I love it. It comes in 2 sheets. It's actually a lot. It's so pretty. If you see there's a little bit scratches on the top, those will go away once I add my top coat. This is the piece from the front. After that, I'm gonna add the stencil to the sides. It calls something geometric. And for that, I'm using the Eternal Wax by Prima too. This is the final results. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.